What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Outdoors Maryland video. Today we are outdoors in Virginia. We are in Shenandoah National Park, one of the coolest parks I think you can go to in the mid-Atlantic. We're hiking White Oak Canyon. Lots of creeks, lots of waterfalls. Some of them you can slide down and wade in. And today I'm joined by Riley. Now, I actually probably do more outdoorsy things with Riley than anybody else, but he's yet to appear on the channel. He is driven across America this summer. He's lived in the Netherlands. He's a huge bird watcher, so he's a really avid outdoorsman. So bringing him along in Shenandoah today. We're gonna go on a probably either 7 or 10 mile hike. See how we feel, and let's get to hike. Shenandoah is one of the best places in America really to hunt for salamanders, and even though it's forecast to be 98 degrees, it's actually 78 degrees today. And on our first rock flip, there's this guy. I don't know what type he is. He's not a redback. He might be a dusky. I really don't know. He doesn't really have many defining characteristics. I love salamanders, but I'm not very good at identifying them. So if you know, leave a comment below. I'll probably try my best and put it up on the screen somewhere. But cool find on the first rock. And literally the next rock, our second one, this kind of looks like a dusky, given the pattern on his back, but cool finds. We're hopefully gonna find more today. I really wasn't expecting to find any salamanders today, and in our first little stream, in like maybe 10 feet of stream, we just found 5 what I think are dusky salamanders, so cool finds. I can actually see 2 brook trout in this pool here, very rare. They only live in the most pristine waters. They're fish number 1, actually 3. They're fish number 1 on my bucket list, but I'm waiting until I become a better fly fisherman to attempt it. We kind of lost the trail while following those brook trout and looking at some other brook trout in pools. So we're just gonna follow the Cedar Run Creek now. Can't really go wrong, since this is the creek that we're trying to find a waterfall on. So we're just gonna follow this. Okay guys, we have reached the water slide. Ready? Shoo! Woo! Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, dude, there's a snake right there. Look at that. It's non-venomous. Little northern water snake.
It'll be fun.
It's raining. Here's an update. We're sheltering underneath this rock overhang right now, but we cannot be any more wet. It's funny how when you're sliding down a water slide or jumping into a pool from a cliff, water's really fun. But when it's falling out of the sky, it's just kind of depressing. View of the White Oak Canyon.